This is a short tutorial of how to break a tree in Fortnite. So you have like your left click button on your mouse. So you want to hold W up to the tree. You want to click these little bullseyes, and whoa.
It's a great tutorial.
This is what it yeah, man. And this is what it looks like inside of a toilet or something. So like, where would have the most boats? Like I know Craggy has a lot of them. You know what? I'm gonna go Craggy. I know there's a boat that always spawns there. Miss Puff doesn't even have to give me my license. I already got it from Legoland. Wait, why are the storms still messed up? I thought Midas fixed that. Oh wait, no, that's right. He screwed us over and made SpongeBob come to Fortnite.
Can't wait for that.
Oh, dude, that's when I died.
You would have.
Oh shoot. Sequoia! Wait, where are you?
I'm at the shark. I was in the boat, so I couldn't really defend myself.
I'm coming for you. Yeah, you can still get out your boat, but you gotta like take your boat everywhere with you, like your little pet, like your dog. I was glad doing business with it. Now come with me if you want to live. Wait, hold up. Where are we going now? Where's our next like? What's our next thing? So like, where are we gonna find people? How are we gonna actually make this challenge entertaining?
I don't know. I guess if you blow everybody up.
Where do we go? Like Pleasant Park? Tony Stark?
How about Frenzy Farm?
Wait, so we can
Here.
leave our boats? You just can't.
Here. Take your own boat. I'm gonna take this new boat.
I'm taking this challenge very seriously.
Don't think I don't see you, Shadow Henchman. Oh, cracked. Wait, did my missile only do 34 damage? Are you kidding me? What is this, a Nerf gun? Oh, never mind. Alright, oh, I see a person actually. Boom! I actually tagged him.
It would be a great video.
Ah!
Bam!
Oh! You thought.
Bada bop boom.
Oh!
Pow!
He's dead!
Oh!
He did it! And there's like a new update to Fortnite where when you like get a kill you get shield, so from henchmen, so like that's why I have shield. Wink wink. Oh, there's another dude. Look how much people love camping on the coast. Oh frick! I'm gonna die. Shoot. Yes! I love you guys. Without you guys I'd be nothing. Alright.
You can move while you're not too.
Oh hell yeah. New rule.
Luke, you gonna steal these
I can't move, so come towards me.
Alright. We're back on the water. We're back on the water and this is... Oh, there's another dude in a boat. Wait, no. That's just a regular boat. Wait. Oh, the final circle does have a river.
Oh my god, we're saved.
We're saved, dude. Imagine if we had no land. Oh, look, a medkit. Wish I could take that. The whirlpool. Ouchie. You can't do that. It's against the law. How do you like it when I boot you back? Boat Wars. This is even better than, like, what is it called? Where they put, like, those little, like, battle bots? This is better than battle bots right here. It's called boat bots. 2 bots in a boat. Well, actually, 1 bot. That bot. You know. We all know who the bot is here.
Do you see this?
Oh, there's gunshots over this way.
This isn't really,
Oh. He just died.
Boom! Bam! Oh, bop!
Oh, frick.
Bada bop boom.
He's almost dead.
Pow!
He's dead! But I'm like, actually super low.
Sorry, I'm trying to...
He has a teammate. His teammate knocked me.
No.
Okay, yeah. Keep in mind we can get out, but when we get out, we cannot move.
Oh, this does nothing.
Huh?
What the hell? I'm stuck in the ground.
What?
My point of view is stuck in the ground right now.
You just died. You died under the ground. We can't get you. Kyle, the other one's there.
I'm the white knight.
Oh shoot! Oh no! Last one.
You can do
No.
it now.
Oh frick! No, you're gonna fall in.
No, no.
Ah! Game over, guys. We're dead.
Fix this. I can fix
Dead.
this. Hold on.
Dude, you're gonna get shot while you're trying to fix it.
I'm trying to figure out a way to salvage this.
Dude, build a wall first.
No, just do it. He still can't hit a shot. Place number 5. We failed. Challenge failed. Are you guys ready for the second rave? Yeah? Guys.
Sorry.
And then you guys are just like, no. Alright.
Sure,
3 awesome locations. So, you can land at this beach, you can land at that beach, or you can land at that beach. Like, literally the best setup. Like, pick a beach. There's 3 of us, 3 beaches. So, we landed. Honestly, I'm pretty tempted to destroy this place. This is attempt number 2. Attempt number 1, we kind of failed. We ended up dying because my dumbass brought us to Pleasant Park. And, yeah. So, we're allowed to pick up heals.
I got killed.
How many of them are there?
1.
Here, come down. Come off the cliff. Jump down. Come on, buddy. Come here, you big blue beast.
Huh?
Let's get out of here, Skipper.
Look at that. The boat matches.
Yeah, it does, actually.
Nah, but.
Oh, yo, there's a guy here. Oh! Dude, his head must like have got like a 3rd-degree concussion from that.
Oh boy, I'm up
Yeah.
on health.
Yeah, we do need help.
Oh my god, I got him.
You did? This is your new vehicle. Accept it. It's your best friend. It's like when a Beyblade meets his master. We just gotta keep traveling the river. Get back here. This is a high-speed chase that we're going through.
Oh,
Wait, we're going out of circle.
We got fish.
Wait, you can do that? Wait, are you kidding me? That guy was hiding? In the water? Like a fish?
Wait, Kyle, how thick are you?
Oh no. I just got lucky.
Wait, you can shoot them out of the water with missiles?
Yeah.
Wait, holy crud, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Yo, I never knew that all season. I could have done that all the time. Yeah, we gotta find more people. There's only 17. We're gonna go on an expedition. We're gonna be like Marco Polo, Lewis and Clark. Yeah.
Did you know that if you go into the storm, your boat rises? Look, watch.
No!
Oh no,
It's destroyed everyone's boat. The challenge failed again. How do we get out of here?
You don't. You're stuck forever.
This is our 3rd attempt, and this is our bot squad.
Yes, sir.
This is our stupid
Yes, sir.
squad. We look absolutely scuffed. We got Woolly Mammoth here. We got freaking Frozone from The Incredibles, and we got a furry, which makes it even worse. We're the cringiest.
Yeah.
We're the cringiest squad on the internet. Kid Rome. He still makes us look like a bot squad because he's a default. Yo, guys, what's up? TTV Frozone here. Wait, yo, is that a bird in my ice cube? That's kind of disturbing. Okay, guys, we're doing it again. We're landing craggy again.
You should use only the toxic emotes and the spray paints.
Dude, only had the donkey
You
laughing.
just use spray paints the entire game. Oh no.
No, Kid Rome. Kid Rome suddenly feels really shy.
Oh no, Kid Rome feels really shy again. He's feeling kind of. He's feeling kind of.
Bitch, I'm out.
Oh, I see a player. It's a Mesmer.
Well, I was going for your boat.
Hi, how are you?
Nope.
Other side.
That helps.
You're not supposed to be on land, dude.
I know. Also, gonna go grab a.
I knocked him. He's gone. I don't know what he's doing all the way in these parts of town. Bro, he was so close to the shotgun. Get Frozoed on ya, greeny
I'm
zucchini.
gonna set up proximity mines and maybe I'll be.
He's dead. Whoa, did you just boost us another
I
time?
did.
Sequoia, you need it. Take these. Oh, there's a player! Sequoia behind you!
I'm joking.
I tagged him once.
Stop! 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 Ah! Stop! Stop the break! Stop! Ah!
He's knocked.
They're really confused.
They're like, why are these guys not? Why don't these guys?
They've never seen this type of behavior.
They've never seen this type of alpha male behavior before in their entire Fortnite lives. All right.
Yeah, I know, I'm trying to
So like, we gotta get to circle, guys. I'm gonna mark it. We only have one river that will protect us.
Oh no, he's in the short.
Oh, there's players on me. Oh shoot, they're good. Help me, guys. Help me, please.
No, I'm
Please, there's like a ton of people here.
You try to trick me, Charlie.
No, there's actually people. You can see that I lost my shield. Okay, I'm knocked one. Ah!
Okay, finish the race and let me know.
Ah! I'm actually gonna lose.
Alright, okay.
I knocked the other one. Okay.
Are you good now? I'm coming back.
No, I'm not good. I'm gonna heal in the meantime. Dude, I'm actually so goated. Get him! He's tagged. He's tagged again. Ah, final shot. Okay, Sky, you're about to die. Say bye-bye, Sky. Oh, good job, guys. They're still not, because there's still kids on here. Oh, there's one swimming down here. I don't think I don't see you. You know, if you've ever been to the Universal Studios bathrooms,
Oh no.
she's always
Oh
in
my
there
God,
making her
horrible.
weird sounds. It's
Especially
uncomfortable.
for people who haven't watched Harry Potter who are just going because they're kids.
They're probably like, what the heck is this?
Yeah, they're
Why is
yeah. Here, Sequoia, get with me. I'm like way better. Frozone, I make everything ice. No, don't do it, Kyle. Don't do it, Kyle. No, Kyle, don't. You're getting my boat. Frick. Oh shoot, the storm. I'm actually scared of the storm now. That's one thing Fortnite did good. They made people scared of the storm. We gotta get to this area or else we're dead for good. So, we have to go down this river if we wanna win. Just like, let's destroy all the trees. Let's let everyone know that we're like real.
Yeah, we hate natural environments.
We're against Team Trees? Question mark. I mean, in this game we are, but at least not in real life. Right, guys? Oh, shoot, guys. We gotta go. There's no water in the circle we have to go to.
Oh, I boosted myself.
Cool. Oh, I did it too. But your thing kind of blocked me. Alright, we're on the top now. We need to get to, like, ultimate high ground, which is, like, up here.
Okay, wait. On the count of 3, you alright? See if we can do this, alright? On the count of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, boost.
Oh! No! That was actually so close. Oh, I see a player.
Let's try to go through the side.
Player, it's a Meowscles.
Yes, sir.
Oh, shoot. There's more than one. There's more than one. Holy shit.
My boat has...
He's cracked. No, I fell out of my boat.
My boat has 87 health. This is the...
Bro, I'm really about to get your pickle.
I hit her. I hit her again. Come Come on, hit her with the missiles. No.
Wait,
Are you
okay,
trying to
one more
sabotage
hit,
me or
one
something? Oh, thank you so much.
No!
Oh no.
I can't help.
Kill him. We're the only ones. We just need to run.
Get up.
Well, maybe actually.
Huh?
We got him. Good.
Suck these nuts.
I'll scout for other people. We gotta go circle, circle, circle. Okay, we could actually do this. We have. Oh no! Ah! We're gonna get out of here, Kyle. You're getting us out of here.
We'll get it eventually. Get it eventually. Eventually.
This is our next squad. We're even more scuffed. We're even more just zoned out. Kitty cat, kitty cat. Everyone's being a cat. I'm literally being a little llama midget. As you can see, my legs are like flimsy. I think they're broken. Wait, yo, let's see what happens when I do the split. Alright. Whoa. This tidal wave is seriously about to engulf us all. Wait, is it possible we could like steal all the helicopters and like ram everybody with them?
Do you want to do that?
Damn, boy, he's thick! Boy, that's a thick
Yeah,
ass
oh,
boy!
vehicle only challenge.
Vehicles only.
From now on, it's vehicles only. So you guys take the helicopters and be the upper task force. I'll be the ground force. So let's take
You'll be the Navy and we'll be the Air.
So we can call this, what do we call this? The US like
Just call it the U.S. Army.
the US Army challenge. So, yeah. The Marines challenge. This is like vehicles only. So, look. She's in the helicopter. You know how to ram people with your helicopter wings, right?
You just slam into them, right?
Yeah, but you have to be tilted down a little bit.
Yeah, just smash.
And Kyle, no shooting your friends' boats anymore.
I won't.
Or
You're all.
being attacked.
You are?
Yeah.
Shoot, there's like 6 people there. I had to leave. They're following me, dude. This is scary. Help, Sequoia, help. Ram them with the helicopter.
Bruh, are you still surfing? Is that you?
Yes, this is me. I need help. They're running after me. Okay, that's another one down. For now.
I mean,
Frick.
A lot of stuff.
Oh no, more people.
okay, what do I do?
I'm not a people person.
Bodies. Where?
I'm more of a.
There's so many people here.
I like remnants with
How come whenever we're doing the vehicle challenge video, it's always when I find llamas? Why?
I know.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Okay, there's so many people. Okay, I'm not even lying. I counted like over 10. It was like an entire operation, okay? You might they're starting to come towards me. They're literally all attracted to me.
Why are you running?
They want my Tinder profile.
They're gonna be close. No, they won't get grinded.
No, he stole my kill.
Uh-oh. Look at all these dudes. Okay, let me try. I don't know if I'm...
Okay, that's one off. Oh wait, I gotta get in circle. I gotta mark the nearest river in circle. I gotta go all the way back to agency. Oh, oh, he's so low.
Dude, I don't know what I'm doing.
You got him! Could you take me to agency?
I can take you to Moist Mire, but not Lube Lake.
I'm just gonna start calling this Death River.
Rip, rip, stick.
Seriously, everyone there was so, like, they wanted your head. Not even gonna lie.
Call it the River of Death, Pizzicato.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah, woo!
I thought you were gonna die for a second.
No, I jumped up and then hit your propellers and went back down. I'm going to get this other boat. You guys gotta be my air patrol. I'm the ground force, okay? You guys are professional rammers. The vehicle only challenge. Only eliminate players in vehicles. Alright, this is the river I have to be on if I want to survive.
Salty Kid Rum says that he has to leave.
Oh,
Salty Kid Rum, are you up there, bud?
dude, it's salty kid roasted.
Don't confuse Salty Kid Rum with Salty Syndrome. Two different.
No, Salty Syndrome and Salty Kid Rum are two different people.
Yeah.
Oh, enemy spotted. Mobile Task Force unit, engage in war precautions. Battle stations. He's not aware. Okay, he's aware. We blew our cover on our target. Oh, that actually tagged. That could.
Oh, I got him for like 50 twice.
He's tagged again.
You stupid.
He's knocked. Alright, he's dead.
Oh, darn it. I want this so bad.
Shoot, their teammate has a scar and high ground. Their teammate's tagged. Their teammate's white. Nice. Guys, we could actually win this round. Guys, keep an eye on this area. That's most likely where they are. Oh, no, they're here.
Yeah, why y'all put cheese on my cheeseburger?
Get Wi-Fi anywhere you go.
Hold up.
Ah, we did it.
Oh my god.
Yes,
You
let's
have
go,
to be on your
Salty.
boat.
Dude.
We finally got it. We finally did it. Oh my gosh. Yes, dude. Oh, I'm gonna get copyrighted for that emote. Okay, anyway, this is amazing. This is awesome. This is awesome. We finally did it. You have no idea. We've been working on this for like an hour. Vehicle only, bro.
That was a good game.
That was a
Yeah,
good
that's why we
game.
didn't even cheat or leave the
That-
boat at all. Like,
That was a great game.